Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see what's coming up next, y'all. For the people that's on the, oh, I ain't seen nobody. Anybody else came from a, look out, look out. Y'all check it out. We're gonna be here all night. TikTok. Got YouTube on the, Brock Warren just came from TikTok. Look out, look out. We got Brock Warren. Where you from? Where you from? Brock Warren, where you from? All my TikTokers. We trying to grow this YouTube channel up. If y'all like racing, get over here. Get over here. Get over here. We're gonna be racing this supercharged Caprice in a few minutes for my TikTokers that's watching. Frank here from TikTok. What's up with it, Frank?
What the hell was you
What happened? Where you been?
I was over there looking for you. I saw you take your backpack off and shit.
Yeah, I don't even know where I put it at.
You tripping.
Damn, I need to go get it. Yeah, I need to go get it. Damn, man, I done left my bag.
I ain't going up there. I'm gonna be right here. You ain't gonna worry about it.
Okay, no, we got running bonds was like, move your car. Yeah.
No, they told me they was like, can you move the car up?
Okay.
I'm looking for the driver.
Oh, okay. She looking for the driver. Bam, bam. Who we gonna? Whoever you want to.
Who we gonna?
We gonna. Hey, you know how to do a burnout? You ain't never did a burnout?
Like 3 years ago.
You want to try to do one today? I can try to coach you. Or you
in front of everybody?
Yeah.
No.
You don't want to do it in front of everybody?
We gotta do it Sunday.
Okay, Sunday. Okay. Well, you just gonna feel a supercharge on her today.
Yeah.
She gonna feel a supercharge. Okay. What happened?
Rubber on the ground.
Rubber.
Yeah, it's a condom right there.
Where? Ooh. Who been doing it over here?
You see it?
Yeah. God, dog. Somebody been doing it.
They fucking in the car.
I don't know. That was quick. I ain't even get to see. Damn. Yeah, we about to race the Caprice in a minute. Okay. We got Crystal Clear Genetics. Just came from TikTok. Appreciate that, Crystal Clear. Crystal Clear just came, y'all. Bryson. Oh, yeah, I do need to check them tires. Good looking out, man. We're gonna check them tires right now while these cars that ain't got no slicks on it. I don't know how low I really need to let them. I think I got them at about 28 right now. I got the tires on 28 right now. I got the tires on 28. Let me see. Now I'm finna go to the, I'm finna set the tires.
Still waiting the line.
You still waiting? God damn.
The line taking
Me too, man.
Hour and a half?
Yeah. I'm finna go check the tire pressure. I'm finna check the tire pressure. I would leave it like that. I mean, shit, it usually grip. Oh shit, they go running, y'all. Saw you all ago, didn't move your car. And I wanted to let you know that I saw it. So next time I catch you, you don't move your car, it's gonna be an issue. Man, I think I ain't from, I know what they on. Let me see, let me check. Okay, I know what that's on. Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna rock it like that. See what it do. I kinda do, let me see. Let me see if I got something to let some air out. Run that CTSV. Shit, we might have to go on and do that. That little thing was running. He got nitrous on there. Hey, where he trying to go? I think it's gonna hook. I think it's gonna hook. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's gonna hook. I just checked the pressure. Oh, we can. Symbol, we can move it up. We can move it up. Look. We got some space.
Where you want me to move it up
Just I guess behind the truck. Yeah, we're gonna go behind that truck. Hey, what's up with it, man? You been looking out? Okay. Big business just came from TikTok, said YouTube looking better, y'all. Y'all can get on over here. Y'all hear that cam up in there? Yeah. Simba look like she really doing something in there, y'all. Look like she really knows something. Yeah. She look like she doing something.
Your tire pressure good?
Yeah, I think the tire pressure good. I don't care who. I think we might have to run him. He might be running somebody. Oh, he got somebody?
No, they racing.
Oh, they racing? Well, we just gonna wait on somebody to start slipping and want us. Whoever want, we might get him. I don't know who to get. Let me see. Who we gonna have to get?
Huh?
Who I need to
Find somebody to race.
Okay, we gotta find somebody, y'all. We gotta find somebody else. Nah, I'm trying to fix this camera. Okay. Let me see. Hey, let me see your key real quick. Let me let some air out of my tire.
Ain't got no key?
Hey, let me see the keys real quick. All right, take some air out. I'm gonna take a little bit out. This is my car, user. Watch out for that track hawk. Yeah, I wanna run him. He'll be a good example. Ooh, that Mustang.
Look out.
Look out, look out. Oh, okay. We running Friday and Saturday night out there, yeah. Yeah, it's about to go down. 14 more likes to 300 likes on my YouTube channel. I don't think I had that before.
We got find somebody to race.
I don't know who we gonna do it with. We need to find somebody.
You already got one.
We might have to make a solo pass. If don't nobody want to run. Yeah, if don't nobody want to run. Huh?
Yeah, y'all got a race going on with this car?
Nah, we looking for one.
Is that a race truck?
The race truck?
Man, I want somebody I can whoop, man. I can't fuck with that goddamn race ass truck.
It's low, bro.
I got a motor that can drive to the track. Y'all ain't driving to the track. I got AC.
I don't.
I know.
Hey, you don't got AC nor a radio.
I don't want to race y'all.
Why not?
I need some shit in my class. Y'all got straight race truck and shit.
It's a work truck with street tires. Come on.
Hey, let me get up out of there and come run me down.